In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily convert capital letters to lowercase in Microsoft Word. Whether you're working on a lengthy document or just a quick note, this neat trick will save you time and help ensure your text is exactly how you want it. First, open the Microsoft Word document that you're currently working on. It doesn't matter if it's a report, an essay, or any kind of document. If you happen to write in all caps and later need to change it for stylistic purposes or because of a typo, this tip is going to be incredibly useful. Once your file is open, you'll want to identify the text that you need to change from uppercase to lowercase. Simply use your mouse or trackpad to highlight that part of the text. Ensure that you only select the text you want to convert to lowercase to avoid any unintended changes to your document. A quick tip here, if all of the text needs changing, you can click and drag to highlight the entire document, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A to select everything at once. Now that you have the text highlighted, it's time to use the shortcut that makes this process a breeze. On your keyboard, press and hold the Shift key, and then press the F3 key. By doing this, Word will automatically change the selected text from uppercase to lowercase. It might be helpful to know that pressing Shift plus F3 again will toggle through more options, changing your text to capitalize each word and then back to all uppercase. For our purposes, we're focused on converting to lowercase, so pressing this combination once should do the trick. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully transformed your uppercase letters into lowercase letters without having to retype anything. It's a simple yet effective way to make quick changes in your Word documents and ensure that everything looks just right without unnecessary hassle. This shortcut can save you valuable time, especially in long documents where manually retyping would be a tedious task. This method keeps the formatting neat and consistent throughout your document, which can be particularly beneficial when working on professional or academic papers where consistency is key. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try this on different sections of your text to get a hang of it. Knowing handy shortcuts like this can significantly improve your productivity and make text editing a lot more efficient. I hope you found this guide helpful. It's amazing how such a simple trick can make a big difference. Feel free to try it out on your next Word document and see just how much time you can save. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this one.